What's the meaning of comportment? Comportment. Comportment.
Comportment. Comportment. Comportment refers to a person's behavior or manner of conducting themselves, especially in terms of poise and elegance. It's a way in which one holds oneself, moves, or behaves in a social situation. Good comportment is typically associated with politeness, respectfulness, and professionalism, while poor comportment may be perceived as rude, disrespectful, or unprofessional. One's comportment can have a significant impact on others' impressions and reactions, making it an important aspect of social interactions. Overall, comportment refers to the way one carries oneself in various situations, reflecting their personality, upbringing, and cultural influences.